Hey, best friends, this is your girl Brittany D, and this is just my little encouragement moment. Sometimes people don't realize how much you've changed because they left you where they mentally put you. What does that mean? So, for me, is sometimes I haven't seen somebody in a while, right? And the last time they known me, I was a makeup artist. Like, that's what I was doing. But now I am a client service director at a nonprofit organization. I run my own business. I am out here volunteering, doing a lot more things. And so when they introduced me to their friend as a makeup artist, I kind of was taken back. Like, that's not even who I am. I don't even identify with her anymore. And I want to say that to you, best friends. Sometimes people will leave you where they left you, but that doesn't mean that's where you are. And I want to encourage you to really embrace where you are today because you are not the same person who you used to be. And I want to let you know I see you, girl. You are not. And don't let other people hold you in that place. Okay, best friends. You have a great day.